Hey, what is up, guys? It's the Hypebeast kid back at it again for another video for you guys today. And today, right now, I'm about to go to Stilo Vista Mall. Go check it out, maybe buy some stuff. I don't know. Look around, walk around. So let's get into that part. So I just got back from the mall. I picked up these Air Max 97s. Got those. I like it a lot. Got those. And then I got these Gucci sunglasses. It's actually my first Gucci piece, to be honest. See, here's the case. It's velvet. When you open it up, it's Gucci there. There's the glasses. Cloth in there. Clean it. Here's them. Got the B's right there. That's the stripe in the front. This is Gucci right there. Got the shit. So I picked up the mall. And I think about turning this off for now. And we'll see if I add more to this video, which probably I'm gonna add more. I might show some close-ups of the stuff I got. I don't know, but we'll see right now. Just pack this thing up real quick. There we go. So guys, today we're going to Ruidoso, New Mexico, to a camping. We got a cabin over there. So let's get into these next parts to be clips of whatever I recorded at the camping place. I'm not sure how much I'm going to record, or what I'm going to record, or if I'm going to record. If I do, it's going to be all in this next area. And then right now in a little bit, I'm going to also record the outro. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to record that over there because we're going to go camping. I'm not trying to like record everything and all that. I'm trying to spend time with my family camping and all that. So let's get into these next clips. So guys, we're here camping right now. We're about to take an Instagram photo. Well, I am, and also my cousin is. Right now we've got to the place. There's some deer here. Kind of creepy, but we're here. So right here's the rock. We're gonna take a picture here. Me and my cousin Justin both take pictures. So follow me at EnriquezAX on Instagram. Follow me right now. Like the picture, and you can follow him on his.
What? Justin_paper.
Justin_paper. And we're about to go back. We just took the pictures right here. There was a deer in mine. So there's a couple deer here, like 5 or 6. I don't know how many. Well, we're gonna go heading back to the cabin right now, and see you guys there. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a like, comment down below to get posted on your shout out, and here's supposed to get a shout out for the last video. Right there. You got it? And once again, thank you for watching my videos. If you really like watching my videos, subscribe right now. Leave a like, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and peace.